Hello there! You're watching Explore the FPS tutorial. It's Saira here. Before we start, there's no need to use any risky files or tweaks. This guide is simple, straightforward, and follows an official approach, ensuring everything works smoothly without issues. Just open your browser, search for LDPlayer official website, and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, install it like any other software and launch it. After setting it up, we're ready to move to the next step. While it's downloading, let me show you something interesting. Did you know you can actually use this app on your PC without an emulator? If you just need the basics, you can access it through Snapchat Web. If you have the Microsoft Store, open it and search for Snapchat. Once you find it, click on it and install it. If you don't have the Microsoft Store, you can still access it by opening your browser and searching for Snapchat Web. Click on the official link, and you'll be able to log in and use it without installing anything. The only downside is that you won't get access to all features. Filters and some effects won't work, but you can still update stories, chat, and even make voice and video calls. Now, let's get back to the main topic. Now, the important part, getting the app to work. The good thing is that version 11.78.0.39 runs smoothly on this emulator. This version is officially available from LDPlayer, so there's no need to download it from unknown sources. To get it, just open your browser again and search for Snapchat for Emulator on Google. You'll see the LDPlayer official website at the top. Click on it. Scroll down the page until you find the download option for version 11.78.0.39, then download and install it inside LDPlayer. Once that's done, just open the app, log in, and start using it as usual. Everything works fine, including chat, filters, and other features. If you prefer using MSI App Player, you can follow the exact same steps. Just install MSI App Player instead of LDPlayer, download the same app version, and install it. I've tested it and it works without any issues. And that's all. This method is safe and works without requiring any modifications. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Explore the FPS, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.